Did you know the FBI's most valuable criminal consultant is a serial killer who used his mother's severed head as a dartboard? Edmund Kemper stood 6 feet 9 inches tall with an IQ of 145. He murdered 10 people, including his own mother. But here's where it gets twisted. From his prison cell, this articulate giant became the FBI's secret weapon. Agents would visit him regularly, seeking insights into the criminal mind. Kemper didn't just help them understand killers, he helped them catch them. His psychological assessments revolutionized how law enforcement approaches serial murder cases. He shaped modern criminal profiling techniques that are still used today. The most disturbing part? Kemper could have escaped multiple times. Prison guards trusted him. He had opportunities, but he chose to stay locked up. He told investigators he knew he was too dangerous for society, that he would kill again if released. So this brilliant monster remains behind bars, helping solve crimes while admitting he's too evil to ever be free. The FBI still consults with him today,